Have you ever wondered if Bitcoin could actually crash to zero? Today I'm breaking down the 5 biggest reasons people think Bitcoin could fail and what that might mean for the future of crypto. Let's dive right in. Reason number 1. Regulatory crackdowns. Governments around the world are stepping up their scrutiny on cryptocurrencies. If global powers like the US, China, or the EU decided to ban or heavily restrict Bitcoin, its value could plummet overnight. Just look at what happened in China when they banned crypto mining. The market took a massive hit. Reason 2, technological vulnerabilities. Bitcoin runs on code and no code is perfect. If a major flaw or vulnerability were discovered, think quantum computers cracking Bitcoin's encryption, it could shake the very foundation of the entire network. With enough fear and uncertainty, confidence in Bitcoin could evaporate. Number 3, competition from better technology. Bitcoin was the first, but it's not the fastest or the cheapest. Newer blockchains like Ethereum or Solana are trying to fix Bitcoin's limitations. If another coin becomes the preferred way to store value or make transactions, Bitcoin could lose its dominance and spiral downward. Reason 4, loss of public trust. Remember the big hacks and scams like Mt. Gox or FTX? If something on that scale happened again, it could cause millions of people to panic and sell. Once trust is gone, it's almost impossible to get it back, and that could drive prices to rock bottom. And finally, reason 5, environmental concerns. Bitcoin's energy use is massive. As more people worry about climate change, governments and companies might push back even harder. If Bitcoin's environmental impact becomes unsustainable, pressure to abandon it could mount fast. So will Bitcoin actually crash to zero? The truth is, it's unlikely, but not impossible. Bitcoin has survived a lot, but nothing in finance is guaranteed. The risks are real, and it pays to stay informed and cautious. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Let me know in the comments, do you think Bitcoin is here to stay, or are its days numbered? Thanks for watching.